Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Beckett and Georgia, and this is our very first YouTube. And today we decided to start it off with a nice rainy day activity. And Beckett came up with this idea to take cups right out of our kitchen and make our very own bowling pins, like a bowling lane. And then he's going to use the ball he has in his hand. Show us the ball. Yep. We won it at Dave & Buster's. And we're just going to do a little bit of bowling. And yes, Georgia, what do you want to say?
So we are going to do all of this stuff. And I'm going to watch Beckett when he's done. And then I get a turn when he gets always a turn. So I'm going to be, because I'm oldest.
You're younger than Beckett.
Beckett's going to go, and then I will do exercise while I'm going to do it. So, we will see you guys in a minute.
Okay, all right, Beckett, go ahead and bowl. Whoa! You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pins down. Good job.
I'm going to say something.
Missy, you have to wait your turn. All right, grab the bowling ball for Beckett.
Can I say something? Okay. Today I have this
Whoa, you got 8.
video.
Okay, go ahead now, Beckett. Can you show us how you set those pins up so nicely?
I want to see this, guys. Look it, guys. Today we got these little boomers things.
Oh, it looks like we have an intermission show. Okay, great.
It's my turn to bowl.
Okay, Georgia, it's your turn.
Here, Georgia.
Today I'm gonna do it right here. I'm gonna catch it. Oh.
Oh, try it
Why
again.
do you throw it?
Wow, okay. You got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So anyways, that's kind of our fun rainy day activity. As you can see, Georgia has a lot of energy. That's our dog, Oliver. Say hi, Oliver. So thank you, Beckett, for putting together this fun activity. Can you guys say goodbye for now?
Bye.